We'll guide you through how to install LUTs on the Blackmagic Camera app. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in the Blackmagic Camera app, and in this app, you're going to go and see you can go and use LUT or LUTs. What these do is they can go and change the look. So for example, you can go and tap on it and you're going to go and see these different options here. You can swipe through them. And so perhaps you've gone through them and you're not seeing one you like, or you already know one that you want to go and get. Perhaps you're going to purchase one, or you just want to go and get more. We're going to guide you through how you can go about this. So make sure it's full guide and don't go and skip anything, as we're guiding you through this step by step on how you can go and find them, and then how you can go and import and install them. So to go and get started, come out of it like so. Now what you need to do is you need to come and open up Safari or another web browser. So I'm going to open this up. Now what you're going to want to do is, if you're looking to go and browse for some, if you haven't already got one, press search and you need to go and type in Blackmagic Camera LUTs, as you can see. Now you can go and scroll down, and the site I like to use, if I go and find it, I use this one here. There are other sites out there as well, but I like to use this one here. I know I trust it. So I can come to it, and then what you can do is start browsing through these different options. So as you can see, there's a chocolate one here. This is quite cool. Different tones, soft. So let's go for this soft matte look here. So you can go and press to download to the right. And then you can go and press free download. Enter in your email here. With it typed in, you can press download, and I'll need to complete the captcha like so. Now just go and wait, and we're going to receive the email. So let me go and open up Gmail like so. And I'll just go and refresh, and here it is. I actually already did one as well, so I'll do this another one. We can go and scroll down and go and find download free LUT. Go and open it up. Then you can go and press download like so. So you've now downloaded it. Now what you want to do is go and open up your files. Press browse in the bottom right. We can come to on my iPhone and then downloads. Now in this case, this is ready to be installed as it's just the .cube. If it's in a zip, go and tap on it to go and unzip it. Then what you can do is you want to come back to Blackmagic Camera, press settings in the bottom right, and then what you want to do is you want to go and scroll down, LUTs Manager, go and tap on it, and go and press Import LUT. Then you need to go and locate it. So we can press Browse on my iPhone and find Downloads, and you can again go and select it and go and press Open, and then it will go and appear, and make sure that it's switched on. And then what you can do is come to Camera, and you can go and press, I'll go and rotate it. We can go and press into LUT or LUT. And then what you can do is go and find soft matte. I can go and use it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.